In front of me is nothing phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then select Connection Preferences. Tap on Printing. And finally Default Print Service. Now wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. To use a different service, disable this one first thanks to this switcher. Go back. Install the best one for you by tapping on Add Service. And when it's ready, go back to the same printing settings. Lastly, tap on your service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!